Hey everybody. So I'm gonna see if Mr. Grosso can replay yesterday's assignment over Medicare and some information about maybe helping patients with Medicare applications because you'll end up being asked to do that a lot. I'm sorry, I know I'm looking a little rough this morning, but it's pouring. So guys, what I'm gonna do is ask him to, like I said, play that overhead, and then I have also you're gonna take a quiz over your nutrition reading. But then I'm going to re-upload some reading that is very important. You guys are going to take a practice test tomorrow, a 150 question practice test. It's going to take you both periods. And then in 2 weeks, I will be there to see you, and we will, at that point, we will take another practice test. Mr. Grosso is going to upload your practice. He's going to be able to grade that practice test. So please try hard on it. He's going to tell me how you did. He's going to upload those graded tests to me once they've been graded. And then when I come to see you in a couple of weeks, I'm actually going to take those tests and grade them. But I'm going to re-upload Chapter 9. I need you to be sure that you have read and taken notes over Chapter 9. There are 3 sections in the reading that are the bulk of your test. There are questions on the rest of it. There'll be about of 150 questions when you take your certification exam. There'll be about 10 or 15 that are office administration kind of questions. There'll be about 5 or 10 questions on EKGs, but there's going to be about 70 questions, 60 to 70 questions on general patient care, this particular unit that you are reading or that I've uploaded for you to read. And then there's also going to be some other sections there's 2 other sections that, like I said, about 100 of the 150 questions come from about 3 of these chapters and you'll see it covers multiple things that we cover, but there's about 3 chapters that the bulk of your questions come from. So it's really important that you really understand, and what they come from is the anatomy, physiology, and disease process chapter. Then they come from this general patient care chapter, and then they come from the administrative chapter. So, and customer service communication portion. So I need you to be sure that you are really reading this. If you want to do well in this certification and you really want to pass the first time you take it, I have to discuss with your school because I don't know if you're paying for your cert exam or they're paying for your cert exam in May. But this is really important information that you have read. If you guys haven't been watching your videos and haven't been doing the work along the way, it's going to be almost impossible at this point for you to pass that certification exam. I looked at, I graded your lab test, so I know which one of you have really been putting in the effort and which one of you didn't at all. And that kind of shows me how many of y'all are kind of really moving towards being ready to take that certification exam. Remember, if you don't make an 85 on the final practice exam I give you, and you don't make an 85 or an 80 each semester, then you can't take the practice exam anyway. You have to have had an 80 or better each semester, and then you have to make an 85 on your exit exam to be able to sit for your certification exam anyway. So you guys, please be diligent and please do your reading with this. Take notes. If you have questions about things you don't understand, please message me. When you do this reading, I can't help you if I don't know what you don't understand. So you guys just take your nutrition quiz. You're supposed to read your nutrition unit late last week, and then like I said, right now, this particular unit, and it is long, so I'm giving you all of today and a little bit, and some of tomorrow. A little bit on Monday to finish this unit. But it's really important that you read this, especially before you take that exam tomorrow, and you're going to have both class periods to take that practice exam tomorrow. Please take it seriously because it's going to help me see kind of where you guys are. It's February. You got 2 months till your cert exam. And if I don't feel like you're being serious when you take these practice exams, we won't take that. I may not let you sit for that certification exam anyway. So everybody have a great day. Thanks.